ahead, go ahead.
Hi guys.
Listen. Jump on that, okay?
So look at you. Sorry for the pausing for a long time, but there's a glass floor, and it is so cool. I'm not even scared to go on it. My father's a chicken. Look at it. It's so cool. You can see everything in New York. The cars look so small. Hi. And this is cool. And those big dots, I don't know what those are. And there's more stuff. If you guys didn't see it, New York is awesome. But look at this. Not scared at all. So over there is New Jersey, and over here is New York. So there's a line. What? Oh, I'm walking on the glass floor. I'm not scared. I was just chilling on the floor, even though it's a cool floor. What if we had a glass floor in our house? Yeah, that would be cool. I would have been sitting on that floor all day. I'm not even scared to sit on this floor. I'm not even scared to lay on the floor. But I'm right here. The GoPro's just on my head. It was packed. What was I gonna say? There's some stairs right there that I don't know go where. My father right there. Say hi, Dad. And if you want to see how high we are, no, like we were high. We waited for a long time. So if you can't see, this is so cool. But there's some cars. They're black, white, whatever. There's this giant white ball. I don't know, but it's packed. We're gonna go somewhere, but I'm gonna keep you tuned for the next time we're going to for tonight.
1, 2, 3.
Daddy. Daddy, hold on, Daddy. So I have an idea.
Come here first.
Okay. So my father said, come here.
What's the idea?
So I'm gonna lay on the floor and I'm gonna act like I'm taking the picture but without hands. So you're gonna take the picture and I'm gonna be laying down.
I did it already.
No, I'm gonna be laying on the glass floor.
I have it already, look at it.
No. Like, you're gonna hold it above me.
Okay, you like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Do right here.
I am.
Lay down. Come this way, turn around this way. Put your head this way. Head that way.
Wait, this way? Or this way?
Lay down, lay down.
Now you're gonna go on the glass floor and I will do the straight.
Put your hands up. You're scared of something. Ladies are like, oh, put your hands up like this. Up in front of your face, like this.
No, I'm gonna act like I passed out. Wee-hee! This glass floor is so cool. Okay. Good. It's fun.
Crazy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, look up top, look up.
Look at it.
You see it? Don't move it, you see it?
And stay tuned for the end because we're going to this cool place. I'm not going to tell you where, but it's a surprise.
All right, see you soon.
Bye.